Let's learn how to add a text shake effect in Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool and type your text in the program monitor. Customize your text in the Essential Graphics panel as desired. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag it onto your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the skew value to 4 and click the stopwatch icon next to Skew Axis to enable keyframes. Move the timeline slider a few seconds ahead and increase the skew axis value significantly to create the shaking motion. To add motion blur, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle under the Transform effect and set the shutter angle to 360. That's it. You've successfully added a text shake effect to your project in Premiere Pro.